Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a heart-shaped quilt bag. The link for the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this bag you will need 40 cm long zipper, 2 25 mm rings, a quilted fabric, a lightweight fabric for the lining, bias tape, print the pattern and cut the pieces. Pin the pattern pieces on the fabric and the lining as shown in the cutting layout. Cut out the pieces. Before removing the paper pattern pieces from the fabric, transfer the pattern important markings to the fabric pieces. Take a top piece with its lining and the zipper. Place the zipper between the outer fabric and the lining right sides together, matching the middles. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Flip the fabric right side out and top stitch 5 mm from the edge. Take the second top piece of the bag and its lining and place the second side of the zipper between them. Match the middles. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Flip the fabric right side out and top stitch 5 mm from the edge. Take one tab, fold the sides inward by 1 cm, then fold the tab in half and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Pass the tab through a ring and fold in half. Trim off the excess zipper. Place the tab evenly in the middle of the zipper, right sides together, and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Do the same with the second side. Place the top of the bag between the bottom and its lining, right sides together, well in the middle. Stitch the sides 1 cm from the edge. Flip the piece right side out and top stitch the sides 5 mm from the edge. Stitch the lining with the outer fabric all around 5 mm from the edge. Place the lining on the reverse side of the bag face and stitch all around 5 mm from the edge. Mark the middles of the bag's perimeter. Place the perimeter on the face of the bag, right sides together, matching the markings. The side seams of the perimeter are placed on the side markings of the heart. Open the zipper and place the second face on the second side of the perimeter. Stitch both sides 1 cm from the edge. Clip the rounded edges of the bag. Fold the bias end 1 cm inwards and place the bias around the bag. Stitch 5 mm from the edge. Fold the bias towards the inside of the bag . And stitch using the machine or a slip stitch. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below or to contact me on my social media.